Hi friends, hello Sari sir, good evening, all of you good evening. This board is Sony, brand Sony, motherboard part number is MBX 239. This board schematics not available. This board received today dead conditions. So I check this board. First the amp value is 006 amp value. I check this CLR, I check the CLR. And the mode is coming, no shorting, no, I check already impedance mode, no shorting, no damage, no rust. So first I check this CLR is 19.40 voltage coming. So I check first MOSFET, second MOSFET, drain is also high, this is N channel MOSFET, so drain is also, gate is also high. So I check 3V 5V standby IC. So this is 3V 5V coil. So I check this IC, standby IC. This is the standby IC. This IC part number is SN608098. So I check this Google. This IC. Check this Google. This IC is RT8206A, and I have one more Schematics, the MBX 223. So I open the Schematics. The Schematics I check this IC. So I reference this Schematics. So this is the IC datasheet. So this is V in 6th pin, enable 4th pin, LDO 7th pin. I check the 6th pin, V is 19.40 volt coming, enable 4th pin is 13.95 volt is coming, but the 7th pin 5 volt always LDO is not coming. So this LDO goes to PU9 IC. So this IC V in, this is enable or enable. So this release 3.3 volt LDO. So this LDO is going to IO. So this is not available 5 volt always LDO. So I remove the PU9, and after I check the LDO 7th pin, the LDO is coming. So I have one more board, scrap board. So I change the PU9. After I check 5 volt LDO is coming. So I connect the DC machine, and after I on the button, press the power button, the laptop get it on. Display also coming. Display also. Okay, thank you.
So if you want to get the knowledge on BIOS modding, you can just purchase our Hindi edition. All the videos are available already, and along with that there are many case studies as well as some videos theoretically on impedance and voltages are also there. With the help of DSO, how you can check the motherboard are also included on this videos. So complete package is of around 40 plus videos. You can, if you like, you can just purchase them. It is a full of knowledge. You can enjoy the videos, and it is 100% money back videos. Your money will not be wasted for that. So if you like to join our bias and schematics group, you can also contact us for joining that. As well as we also have a training program of laptop chip level, advanced level. If you like to join that, you can also come and join that. So thanks for watching Aditya 111 Triple T YouTube channel. If you like our channel, do hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. Thanks a lot.